Hey guys, this is your girl Miss Whitney Leah, and this is my daughter Kelly, and we're here with a quick tutorial. Okay, so first I'm just gonna sit here and play in her hair. I love my baby's hair. Okay, so I just wet it with this applicator bottle with water and a little bit of coconut oil. And this is my Cream of Nature leave-in conditioner. I will have all the products that I use today in the description. But here I'm just gonna take my hands and finger detangle her hair before actually combing it out. So here I'm going to take my trusty comb, and I've taken that last little piece off of it. Either end is fine. And I love to part with this because it makes parting so easily. But I'm just going to take her hair and I'm going to part it in 4 equal parts. And I'm going to do that, and I'm going to come right back and show you guys what I did. Okay, so I parted her hair into 4 equal parts, and the front we're going to leave, and the other sections we're going to take and split them into 3 equal sections and braid going up towards the middle of our baby's head. Okay, so now I'm going to braid up all of the sections. I'm going to come back and show you exactly how it's going to look. Okay, as you can see, I braided all around her head, and I just left this top portion alone, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with that. Okay, so with this top section, I'm going to take my mango and lime locking gel. I'm going to open that up, and I'm going to get my trusty comb. And I'm going to take her hair row by row and section it off. And then I'm going to clip each section out of the way using my duckbill clips. Up close and personal, well, not too up close, but in the front, I'm gonna take each section. I'm gonna go on with my gel and just put a little bit on my fingers, working into her hair. Get those baby hairs out the way. We're gonna twist and twist and twist and twist all the way down to the end. And once we get to the end of that twist, we're gonna give it a little twirl, and you're gonna see what I mean in just a second. Okay, see, now I'm down to the end. I'm just gonna twirl it around just a little bit, make it a little bit tighter, and and I'm gonna clip the ends, but not just the end. I'm also gonna clip the root to kind of keep that twist in place. And then I'm gonna finish that around the whole front, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys the end result. Okay, so this is the end result. I love this look on my baby girl, and she loved it too. She wore it for about 3 to 4 days. So guys, I hope you like this tutorial. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, and comment any more ideas you might have for us. Thanks you guys. Hope you enjoy.